How to create broadcast channel on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. You will land to the home page. At the top right corner, you can find this message icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now at the top right corner, you can find this pen kind of icon. Click on it. Over here, you're gonna find the option of create a group chat. Along with that, you will find the option of create a broadcast channel. All you have to do is click on it. And then you're gonna get these suggestions to add those people in your broadcast channel. You just have to add those people and then you can give a name, and with that your broadcast channel will be created. But right now this feature might not be available for all the users. If it is available in your Instagram account, you can easily create it. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily create Instagram broadcast channel. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.